parents and kids. I want to share with you today some fun activities that you can do with shoes. I took a basket and went around my house and collected shoes from everybody's room. So I have some of my shoes, some of my daughter's shoes, some of my husband's shoes. And the first activity that you could do is just mix the shoes all up and have them find the mate to the shoe. Another fun activity you could do is hand them a shoe and hide the other shoe and have them go find the mate wherever you've hidden it in the house. You can use the shoes to do colors, like you could, this is a tan shoe, this is a brown shoe. What colors are in this shoe? Gray and blue and black and red. So you can match up the shoes. You can do seasons. This is a summer shoe. This is a winter shoe. So you can do all kinds of things. This is a tall shoe. This is a short shoe. This shoe has a heel. This shoe really doesn't. So you can do all kinds of things in sorting. And you can do textures. This shoe's bumpy and rough. This shoe's smooth. So you can do all kinds of those things. The other thing you can do is you can take a shoe and you can paint with it. So I've got some paint here. And we're going to stick this flip-flop. And then we're just going to make shoe prints with the shoe. You can also, last week we made Play-Doh. So you can take your Play-Doh, you can flatten it out, and you can make prints in your shoes, on your shoes, from your shoes. So you just push, press, and there you go. You got a nice boot print. So try some of these activities at home. See if you can come up with your own activities with shoes and let me know what they are.